Let's figure out together what the Meta Quest 2 is all about. This one here is the 128 gigabyte model, but they also offer a 256 gigabyte version. Let's see what it comes with. Right off the bat, really nice design of the packaging. But I can see right away, we've got these spacers for if you do wear glasses, then you have the spacer for the glasses, and you also have the silicone protection, so no problem there. Those are really going to come in handy. We've got pièce de résistance. Right here is the actual module itself that goes on your head. And let's not forget the two controllers that fit really, really nicely in your hand and has all the sensors all around. Speaking of those controllers, they really have some nice placements for some of those new buttons that you may not know about, and the classic A and B button with the cursor, and that on both sides. Now let's talk about the actual headset itself. It's beautifully designed, very different than what we've seen in prior years. Now, the really great thing about this particular model is that it does not require a game console or a computer. So no wires whatsoever. Everything sitting on your head is the computer itself. Very ergonomic looking, very light, surprisingly, for having all this power within. Adjustable headband as well, very plush. You could tell you can wear this for hours without feeling the strain on your body. Power button and volume control right on the headset. Everything else can be controlled with the hand controllers. Does also come with the charging cable itself, located right here. With over 350 high-quality games, whether it's sports, adventure, action, thrillers, and even working out. It's time that you put yourself in your favorite character's shoes and enjoy the thrilling experience of a virtual reality headset like the Meta Quest 2. It's absolutely incredible.